Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a video into your Notion template. We're going to want to open our Notion template and we're going to want to click inside our Notion template and we're going to want to see this prompt where it says write something or press space for AI / for commands. I'm going to do the / on my keyboard. And once I do that, all of these basic blocks will pop up. We're just going to scroll past them and we're going to go to media. Then we're going to go down to the third option where it says video and we're going to click on that link. Now, I've already copied a video that I'm going to use, and that's where you would paste this link. Or you can also go in and upload your own personal video. But for now, I'm just going to paste in this link. And once I do that, I want to embed the video. So once I do that, you're going to see that now the video that I was embedding has popped up. And you do have some options up here where you can comment, you can do a caption, you can resize it to where it's the original size, or you can go in more actions and that'll tell you like different things that you can do. But that is how you insert a video into your Notion template. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.